create an epic homemaker schedule is more than putting appointments on a calendar and hoping for the best. In this video, I am going to share my tips with you on how you can create an epic homemaking schedule. The first thing is, it's more than just putting appointments on a calendar and saying that you have a complete schedule. You are responsible for more than just your schedule. You're responsible for everybody's schedule, your kids' schedule, your spouse's schedule, the schedule at school, everything. It is important to have all of those in one place. This will help you stay organized with more than just making sure that you are on time, but your kids are on time, that you know what's going to be for dinner. You're not forgetting people's birthdays, everything like that. I would like to share everything that I put on my schedule, everybody, and everything stays organized. So first things first is putting all of your appointments and commitments down in one spot. One spot, not three. I have tried having more than one schedule, and believe me, I get so unorganized and so overwhelmed with everything that it just doesn't happen. Make sure all of your appointments and commitments are in one spot. Now that you've put all of your appointments and commitments in one spot, it's time to add your kids' and your spouse's appointments to that same schedule. So things like sporting practices or Girl Scouts, Boy Scouts, band concerts, any of those things belong on your schedule. Once everybody's appointments and commitments are added to your schedule, it's time to add your routine. So things like your morning routine, evening routine, things like that. I am a routine person and I love to have them. So I do add them to my schedule so I don't overschedule myself, and I make sure that things that I need to get done, get done. The next thing, I add my cleaning schedule to my routine or my schedule because I do different cleaning on different days. I don't like cleaning the entire house in one day. I like doing a little bit at a time. I do clean every day, but I don't deep clean every day. I do have lots of blog posts about my cleaning schedules and you can check them out, but for now, we're talking about just your cleaning schedule. The next thing you'll want to add is your weekly menu or monthly menu. So if you're a monthly meal planner, you'll want to add your monthly meal plan. I'm a weekly meal planner myself, and so I add my weekly meal plan to my schedule. So then I know exactly what I'm going to be making for dinner that night. The next thing, I have my shopping list in my schedule. I know that sounds weird, but it's in one spot, so I don't have to worry about losing it, and I can add to it whenever I think of something that needs to be added to the list. The next thing to be added are any pet appointments. They have appointments too, and if you have pets, you'll want to add anything that they have. If you take them to daycare, if they have play dates with other dogs, whatever, you'll want to add that to your schedule. The next thing are birthdays, anniversaries, or other important dates. You'll want to add those to your schedule so you don't forget somebody's birthday or an anniversary of some sort. So add those. Another thing that I like to add are important tasks that need to be completed. Sometimes we get so busy that we forget to add our to-do list to our schedule. So I like to have everything in one spot, and it really does help. Finally, the last thing on my list to add is a delegate list. Do you have a delegate list? I love my delegate list. Now, what that is a list of things that I am comfortable with delegating to others. Instead of not asking for help, this delegate list will allow you to have a list of things that when the kids need something to do or the spouse needs something to do, you have things on that list that you can pass off to them. Now, I know that this is a lot, and that's why I've put together a complete homemaking schedule checklist and starter kit to help you with this. It includes everything that I talked about, worksheets for each of those things, so you can create an organized schedule to make sure that your life is organized the way that it should be, and you won't be running 5-10 minutes behind before you even wake up, because believe me, we hate those days, and this will help you with that. I want to thank you so much for watching, and we'll have a new video next week.